The Expressive Arts Coaching and Community Building program is a master's degree. It's the first of its kind in the United States, which we are very excited about.
We're going to teach you with you doing it. You're actually going to be using the arts in not only in how to learn how to apply them, but for yourself as a parallel processing.
A master's program is an opportunity to really deep dive into the learning. We adopt a model that we call the scholar-artist-practitioner model. So you will be getting real-time skill building in the services that you would like to provide through the deep dive of your own artistic processes, while also learning how to apply those processes with the client base that you would want to work with in the future. Our students will be developing a foundational business plan for what they want to do when they leave the program. That will include articulating their offering. Also, what kind of collateral might they want to be developing so that people really understand what they might be getting if they were to work with one of our coaches. One of the things I'm most excited about is that we have a year-long practicum in this master's degree. We really want people to have a supported place to be developing the practice that they want to launch out into the world.
You are primed for becoming a board certified coach. We're also gearing you up for certification in the International Federation of Coaches. And so if you sense that you're needed, and you'll feel it here, then this might be the place to seek out how you can be that person. Not a savior, but you can help people help themselves.